Hello, I'm Rashmi Kotharkar. Today I'm going to explain about the break statement. The break statement in Java is used to terminate the group immediately when a block statement is encountered inside a loop. The loop stop there and control the return from the loop immediately to the first statement after the loop. The break statement are used in a situation when we are not sure about the actual number iteration for the loop, or we want to terminate the loop based on their condition. Then we use the break statement. Suppose, for example, we take the main method, and in that main method we take a for loop, and in that for loop we give a condition, that is I equals to 0 and I is less than 10 and I plus plus. Then if I equals to 5, then we use break and then sys out I plus I in double quotes I and plus I. Then we take sys out and out of the loop. Okay, then from this program we get the output like 0 1 2 3 4 3 4 like this. So this is the example of break statement. Then the next is the continue statement. In continue statement, in Java is used to skip a current iteration of a loop. We can use a continue statement inside the any types of the loop, such as the while loop, do while loop, etc. So basically, the continue statement are used in the situation when we want to continue the loop, but do not want to remaining statement after the continue statement. So this is the continue statement. So let's see an example of continue statement. Then we take a for loop. In that for loop we give a condition up to the I less than 10. Then we take if statement. In that if statement we give a condition like if I equals to 0, I equals to 2, then we use continue statement. Okay, then after continue we take a sys out, and in the sys out we print I. From this program execution of program, we get the output and that is 0 to 9. So this is about the continue and break statement.